This is a portfolio update. There's 5 more days left, 5 more trading days left in this year. Next week is a 4-day week. 26 is a day off. So this year I'm done 8,500 here and then 1,000 here, so 9,500 in this Tastyworks account. Most of it was caught being squeezed by crude oil when it went from 80 to 130, and then I capitulated at 130 for a $10,000 loss, and then I hedged it a little bit with micro crude oil, and then scalping some Westall futures. Let's see. So for ES, I'm done like 1,200 this year. Yeah, so I didn't do well in this account, so I just kind of stopped trading it pretty much. Yeah, I've just been doing some wide strangles and MES. Okay, so I'm done 9,500 in this account for 2022. And then my other account. Okay. So for this account, okay, so for this account, I'm up 13,000. So overall, I'm up like $3,000 for both accounts, which is 1%, which is not that bad considering this year has been pretty tough. Then I was always trying to stay neutral, and then so I was losing money when the market crashed, and then when the market rallies, when the market crash, when the market rallies. Yeah, so I was barely making any money. So if you look at the last 3 months, I've been sitting right here. Yeah, I'm done from this last move done. This last move from over the last week for Qs to drop from 291 to 265. So the last week I'm done. Oh, I'm actually flat for last week because my biggest position is regional banks. my cost basis for this is like $62.50. So I'm done about on 400 shares. So I'm done like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 1,600 on this. Yeah, so my account high was 280,600. So I'm about 1,600 from my account high. Yeah, right now I'm losing money in this. I'm down 1,600 in this, and then I'm losing a lot of money in Wish. Right now for these 41,000 shares, my cost basis is about 85 cents, and then I'm probably gonna give up and just try to sell the 0.5 call. I'll double down once more and sell the 0. Well, I didn't double down. I didn't add anything so far from all the way from $1 to 50 cents. I haven't added a single share. So let's see. So long 3,900 shares at this cost basis, and then I sold some extra calls, so there's like 5 cents here. So I'm at like 82 cost basis, and then I have some free calls. Then I have 32 calls, short calls expiring here, so I can sell 32 of this or 32 of this. Then sell some of my extra to 2024 calls, because probably it's not gonna get back to 2 unless there's a buyout. Yeah, so my current strategy is I'm gonna sell these straddles, 5 half put, half call, and then buy the half put in further out, so I don't increase my size too much. And then in silver, I'm done about $500. So right now I collected, I paid 3,200, and then right now it's trading for 26, so I'm down 500. So I got squeezed by this 20% move in 3 months. So I just sold like 5 calls here, and I was short like 10 puts, but then it just kept going like way too high in a month and a half, so I couldn't really defend that, but I'm only down 500. So probably if it sits for like 45 days, I should make it back. And then for Amazon, I'm short short the 85 put for next week, and then the 84 put spread. and then a 49 put, and then also the 85 put for January 6th. So there's still 130 in extrinsic value here. So I'm gonna roll this when it's less than 40 cents of extrinsic value. I'll probably roll this down like this for small credit. And then I have some protections in okay, so I'm short 3 puts and a put spread. So 1, 2, and a put spread. 3 puts and a put spread. So 4 units. And then I have some protection. 1 unit in February. 2 unit in April. Yeah, and then today I bought a call calendar. I bought it too early today. So I paid $6.75. It's an earnings setup calendar. There's so earnings is on February 2. So I sold this before earnings, and then I bought the June for $6.75. I figure I could probably sell this for like at least $3 when it's time for the earnings. So this should probably pay for itself. UNG, I have some call calendars. And then I have some short puts. So these are left over from like a put ratio. I just roll the short leg. Short this. And I have some call calendars. So after 18 January 6th call calendar. I feel like these calendars are pretty cheap because they go all the way to July. And then I'm only paying, so I only pay $1 for this. Like you can sell this call, like you can sell next week's call for like 12 cents. Okay, so there's only 4 days here. So let's say 32 cents. So until July there's 200 days. So let's say every 15 days I roll this. So there's 2, 6, 12. So like let's say 12 rolls. So 12 times $20, that's $200. But I only paid $1 for that. I feel like that's pretty cheap. Let me see how much this is. Yeah, you get a full year, and then we're only paying $2.78. I feel like this is pretty cheap. I don't know, maybe there's some backwardation. Yeah, see, natural gas is like much lower for June 2023, so probably there's a lot of drag on this. That's why the call candles are pretty cheap. Tesla, I just did something really small. I just pay a debit. So sold this before the earnings and then bought this after the earnings. Did it for 25 bucks, just a cheap shot. So I can get this for 25 bucks in February, and then I can sell something for earnings. Probably I can sell something for 25 bucks to pay for this. Comes February. Disney, I am short 2 of the 82 puts for next week, and then 2 of the 76 puts for the week after. So right now I'm using let's see, using I'm using like 40% of my buying power. That's a lot. I guess most of it is just short calls on this. Some short call ratio, but then this is against my KLE stock. And then QQQ, I'm short some iron condors. I don't know. Yeah, I'm currently up $2 on this. Yeah, good thing I took off this this strangle. This strangle yesterday for 52 cents. Otherwise I would have been caught by this move today. Yeah, so hopefully next year we have the market sitting for a few months. I just feel like all these bear market rallies are pretty tough. You have to like keep buying puts, or like keep buying calls down here and keep buying puts down up here. But that's just not the way I trade. I just sell calls, then I sell some puts, and then selling puts is pretty tough in this market. GME have a call calendar. Long the 20 in June, short the 22.5 in January. I'm down like 50 bucks in this. Yeah, I just got killed by InWish last week. yeah, hopefully I do better next year.